Hi guys, and happy Wednesday. I hope everyone's having a great day. I just got off myself, been doing hair all day. Oh, by the way, I'm in my closet today because it's raining cats and dogs outside and it's the only quiet place in the house right now. So don't mind this foolishness back here. But anyways, as promised, I am here to announce the giveaway for the 2 packs of Trendy Tresses Hair from the video before last. So if you participated in that giveaway, you will be picked at random right now. So let's get into who this winner's going to be. So congratulations, Summer Rose. You just won yourself 2 packs of Serene Curl hair from Trendy Tresses. I will be reaching out to you very shortly to get the details where I can send the hair to you. Thank you to all who participated. I read all of the comments, and even if none of y'all did, I really appreciate the love and support everyone has been showing me. You guys, if I don't leave here today without saying this, you guys definitely keep me motivated. And as long as I can help at least one person out there do what they can, I'm gonna keep making videos. So, a couple of announcements before I leave. If you haven't noticed, I've been doing a lot more hair videos, and that's gonna definitely keep the momentum going. According to Google Analytics, I gotta start showing y'all more hair because I guess nobody cares about makeup anymore. But I do, so I'm not gonna forget about my makeup subscribers out there. So I've got a good get ready with me chit chat situation coming up for you guys. And if you haven't noticed, I'm rocking a little look today. I did pick up the new Jackie Aina palette, so I've been playing around with some looks with that. I already posted a look or 2 on Instagram. I'm not sure, but make sure that you head over to Instagram and follow me there so you don't miss any of that fun. But other than that, that's really about it. Hair business has been kicking my butt, so I haven't been doing a lot of makeup, so that's why things are going to be changing around here a little bit. But that's okay. We still gonna keep it glam, and we are gonna keep it moving. So again, thank you all for tuning in and participating, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye.